What I got is this bag right here. From where? JACQUEMUS. Look at it. All oatmeal colors. The bag and my shirt matches very well. And like my background over here, you know. So you see the vibe, right? You see the colors. You see the vibe. So I love it. So let's open this bag. Oh, so this is how it come. Like you just come like in a brown like box. So you know, nothing special about the box. You know, they're not gonna let people know that there's a luxury something inside. So they just put it in a regular brown box. So that's how it came. So when you open the box, they have like the bag is in this dust bag right here. So then, ta-da! Ooh! Can you guys see this? Can you guys see this beauty? This is the back and this is the front. Look at it, guys. I love it. I love it. So as you can see, the JACQUEMUS in gold. Very nice. Love the top handle. Yeah, very nice bag. Very nice. So this is the bag. And this came in the box. Like this one, this is a sticker. Just says JACQUEMUS at the back. And just, yeah. And the basket, strawberry basket said JACQUEMUS. So that's that. And this is it. I think this is the receipt. So just open it. And they have this card in case if you want to return it. And it says how to return. You have 14 days from arrival date of your package. This is a dust bag. You know, you can, if you like traveling, you can put shoes in here or like jewelries or whatever. Or if you take in the bag itself or another bag, you can just put them in here. It's very handy. The bag look like it's a, you know, long-lasting bag. So, and I love the color. It says JACQUEMUS, and you can tighten it. Like you can pull the string so you can make it, you know, close it like that. And this is the baby right here, guys. Tell me down, let me know down in the comment section if you here for this bag, if you like this bag. For me, I love it. That's why I got it, guys. I have been eyeing this on the website for the longest, but you know, it was out of stock. So I put in my email. You can put in your email whenever it's available. They will send you an email, so you just go and purchase it. This is the bag. The material, I'm not even sure what material is this, guys. I'm not sure what type of material to call this, but it's not like suede, but it's not shiny leather either. So like you see, when you touch it, you can leave your fingerprint on it. I don't know if you can see that on camera. You can leave your fingerprint on it. So like yeah, it's nice. I love the fabric though. It's very soft to touch. It has two buttons at the front, like, you know, magnet buttons. So you see the magnet. So this is how you open it, gold. So when you open it, this is what they have inside, like inside the bag. So of course it comes with a strap, and the other thing is just paper. And like it comes with this one too, like this cords that says, you know, tag that says JACQUEMUS. So, and the back just says the chiquito long, just the name of the bag and the color and the bag number. So that's that, the tag inside. And like you have just like a card space in here, like where you can put your cards and stuff. And it says JACQUEMUS made in Spain inside. So this is the space for it, like the inside. So I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, and this is the strap that came with the bag. If you want, I think you can make it longer. You can make it long or short, depends on how you wanna wear it, you know. So have gold, of course, and it says JACQUEMUS on it. So let's put this on. I'm just putting the strap on, guys, and we're gonna see what can fit inside too. Okay, don't worry, I got you, you know. Don't worry about that. So this is it, the bag with the strap on. I love it. I love it. This is the strap and this is the bag. I'm here for it. I'm here for it. I love this bag, and I know the next bag that I'm eyeing from that website is the white one, the white bigger one, because they have it in a small and medium, or is it large, whatever they like, whatever size they, but like not the small one, the bigger one. Maybe I will show you the bag that I'm talking about here. I will put a picture of it here. So yes, guys, this is the bag with the strap on and all that. Very cute, very cute. We love it. I'm here for it, you know. I love the bag, that's why I got it. So, you know, let me show you what can fit inside this bag. Okay, guys, so I have my lip gloss. I have my trophy wife from Fenty. I have my AirPods. I have my card holder. I have my keys. House and car keys are here. So I'm gonna try to put this in the bag. So let's do it.
I try to put these things in here. Trophy wife, card holder, keys, lip gloss, and of course my AirPods. And I still have, like, if my phone was here, I was gonna put it here, so I still have space left in here, guys. Like you can see, I still got some space in here. So yeah, let's close it. So guys, you see, it's closed. Everything fits in here. Perfect. Very nice. I like it. I love it, actually. I really like it.
Bag, like, you can wear different ways. You can dress it up or dress it down. It depends on what look you going for. So yeah, let me show you how I will style this bag. I'm gonna leave the link down in the description box if you guys are interested about getting it. I got it from the JACQUEMUS website. So like, I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna dress it up and down. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and let me know down in the comment section. So okay, guys, these are 3 looks that I showed you guys: casual, dressy, and you know. So it's up to you if you want to get the bag. You can style it any way you want to. For me, these are the 3 looks that I showed you, and you can style it with more looks. But you know what? So this is just, you know, a little tip. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you on my next video. Bye.